Interesting facts about India you probably didn't know. India is the land of snake charmers, colorful clothes, loud noisy streets and the home of the Taj Mahal, but there is more to the South Asian nation than just that. Here is some trivia you probably didn't know, let's get into details. India was once an island. Yes, more than 100 million years ago most of what is India today was an island. The land was actually part of a supercontinent called Gondwanaland that broke away and moved northwards. About 50 million years later, the continental plate collided with Asia. This process created the Himalayas, home to the tallest mountain peak, Mount Everest. India was named after a river. The country is named after the Indus River that flows through India and Pakistan, which was a part of India pre-independence in 1947. While the name India is relatively new, Muslim invaders who conquered India till the British Raj had called it Hindustan, also a variant of the name of the Indus River. The word Hindus also comes from the Indus. Indian civilization predates the Egyptians. The Indus Valley civilization is arguably the oldest in the world, even older than its oldest rival, the Egyptian civilization. New evidence suggests that the civilization that flourished in India and Pakistan is 8,000 years old, 2,500 years older than experts previously thought it was. The Egyptian civilization, on the other hand, dates back to 3,000 years. India has a large Muslim population. Even though only a fraction of Indians follow Islam, about 15%, India is believed to rank the second or third highest Muslim population in the world, ranking higher than many Muslim-majority countries. Linguistic diversity. India has 1,652 languages according to a 1961 census, but it is almost impossible to figure out the end of one language and the start of another. The main 6 languages Hindi, Marathi, Telugu, Bengali, Tamil and Urdu are spoken by more than 50 million people. Surprisingly, India doesn't have a national language but has both Hindi and English as official languages. Chess is an Indian invention. The earliest version of chess is said to have originated in India around the 6th century BC. The game is then said to have spread westwards to Persia and subsequently to Europe. The popular children's board game, Snakes and Ladders, is also an Indian invention. India has the world's largest film industry. The Indian film industry produces more than 1,000 films on an average each year, much more than Hollywood does in the same period. In fact, most of the films aren't even produced in Bollywood, but in regional Telugu and Tamil languages. India has a magnetic hill. The hill, called Magnetic Hill, located near Leh in the Himalayas, is said to have magnetic properties that pull vehicles uphill and also affect aircraft passing over the region. The Sea Link in Mumbai has steel equal to the Earth's circumference. The Bandra-Worli Sea Link in India's commercial and Bollywood capital, Mumbai, has steel wires equal to the circumference of the Earth, 40,065 kilometers. It also weighs as much as 50,000 elephants. Hindu pilgrimage visible from space. In 2011, Kumbh Mela, the Hindu pilgrimage which takes place once in 12 years, was visible from space. A staggering 75 million pilgrims had attended the event. The Doorless Village. Residents of the Shani Shingnapur village in Maharashtra have been living in doorless houses for centuries. They believe that anyone who steals from their house will endure the wrath of the Shani god. In fact, there is no police station there. India has an elephant spa. It's true. At the Punitharakota Elephant Yard Rejuvenation Center in India's southern Kerala state, elephants can be pampered with baths, massages and delicious food. India was home to the world's first university. The world's first university, the Taxila University, flourished between 600 BC and 500 AD in the ancient town of Taxila, now in Pakistan. Students included those from India, China, Babylon, Syria and